My problem with vegan food is really just a problem with perspective. When I was growing up, vegan wasn't really a word. I didn't know any vegan restaurants, and no one I knew was vegan. Even vegetarian was niche, and options at restaurants were usually just an afterthought. But things have changed a lot, and my perspective just hasn't caught up yet. I realized this during a lunch in London, where my wife ordered a vegan burger. And I was surprised because she's not even vegan. To be honest, I didn't even realize there was a vegan burger on the menu. But when I tried it, it was amazing. It was this sweet potato and black bean patty with coriander and an amazing chili sauce, and the bun was just perfect. It wasn't trying to be a cheeseburger. It was just good. That's when I realized I've been skipping over vegan options all my life just because I'm not vegan. And when you think about it, that doesn't make sense. You don't have to be Mexican to enjoy Mexican food. I think part of it is this weird binary thinking where you're either all in or you're all out. Vegan cuisine right now is exploding with innovation. There's so much creativity in that field, and as a food lover, that's exciting. Anyone who eats food can benefit from this. Every time I've limited my diet in some way, just to see how my body reacts, just to see how I feel, I've learned something new. If you're a vegan and that works for you, it must be so exciting to see all of this innovation and all of this creativity popping up everywhere. And honestly, I realized I've been loving vegan recipes for years, as long as they weren't labeled vegan. I made a video on hummus, and it's one of our most watched videos. And yet, if I had labeled it vegan hummus, some of you would probably have been put off. And some of you may have thought, wait, what's non-vegan hummus? So I'm realizing the problem is not the food, it's the label. And I don't want to miss out on amazing new recipes just because of the label. So that's why I'm making an effort to learn more vegan recipes. Not to change who I am or to become vegan, but to keep learning and growing as a cook. There's this whole world of new recipes to try out there, and I'm missing out for no reason. So I also want to make more vegan recipes in this channel. So if you have any great vegan recipes or any ideas, please just drop them in the comments below. The whole point of this channel is to get people to cook at home more. I genuinely believe it's one of the best things you can do for your body, for your health, for your mind. It's one of my greatest sources of joy, and I want to share that. So I hope I've done something today to change your perspective a little. And for myself, I promise to keep trying to change mine. And now tell me honestly, would you turn down this guacamole? This vegan guacamole? Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.